what is acne? Acne is a disease of the sebaceous glands or the oil glands which are usually present in the face, and it could also be seen on the chest or the back. And this is very commonly, it was thought to be a disease of teenage, because during puberty, a lot of us used to get a lot of oily skin and clogged pores, and it was mainly thought to be a disease of teenage. But what has happened in the last 20 years, we have realized that acne is a chronic disease. It's a lifestyle disease, and we are seeing acne persistent even after 30 years of age, going up right to 40 to 50 years of age. We are seeing acne which is leaving a lot of scarring, acne which is coming back, which was never there in your teenage, suddenly presenting for the first time in your 30s or 40s. What is the reason why this has changed? Like I first told you, in puberty, there are a lot of hormonal changes and there is increased oil secretion, and that is the reason why we see acne surface for the first time in teenage. But what is happening now, because of the changing lifestyle, people are always in sedentary in their workplace, people are eating more processed food, the easy availability of high glycemic index foods like high sugar foods, it could be ice creams, it could be desserts in their diet, the severe stress, working late into the nights, and complete lack of exercise, as well as over exercising and increasing the testosterone supplements or corticosteroid based supplements to build up the body, even that could be triggering your acne. So what has been a teenage problem has now converted itself into a long-term lifestyle disease. But this is something that we really are worried about, because it is breaking your confidence. So people who are feeling very underconfident, could be a college student who is refusing to go to college because they have acne or scars, but it could also be an office going lady who is feeling very underconfident because she has got severe jawline acne.